She's not much for recipes. The bowl sometimes invites her, and she oils it, cracks a duck egg or two, throws in a bit of stock or well water, maple syrup and leavening, and says to it, "Sit there, and I'll be back with something for you." Something might be a beet leaf, or an apple, or a spray of young mint. Once it was a whole handful of chives, chopped and thrown in, the whatever might vanish under oats or rye, buckwheat flour or crumbs from the last loaf, and then salt, late so as not to insult the yeast. Last, she may tug the spelt barrel from beneath the counter and dip a porcelain bowl into the cool brown powder 5, 6, 7 times. She stirs the makings between heaps with a pair of chopsticks. Never quite the same thing twice. In summer, she'll oil a crock pot and turn the lump in to bake. In winter, a Dutch oven. In either case, the secret is prop the lid onto a chopstick, letting a little steam out over time. The end is not the prettiest bread you'll ever see, nor the best tasting, she'll admit, but slice it, add a little butter to it still hot, and sit eating slowly in a western window as the sun goes gold, then falls. Are you not now the grace at the red heart of the world?